I'm making the kitchen, the pull-out kitchen at the moment. I was looking online at sort of roller bearing type hinges, but they are absolutely, for the length that I want, they were ridiculously expensive, none of which are available here in Ireland. So you were looking at, by the time I'd be finished, at probably near 200 quid for a set of hinges, and I'm not paying that. So I've decided, I made myself a sliders. I've 2x1 down there, another 2x1 here. I've made the base slightly longer, slightly wider than I needed to, so it fits in between the two. So what I've got now is my own homemade slider. Works absolutely perfect. So this guy is going to be my kitchen. There'll be a leg going down here onto the floor to take the weight of the kitchen. Cooker's going to sit on top here. Gas bottle will go in there when it's for transport. When it's actually being used, the hose is long enough, it'll actually be set outside on the ground outside the van. I'm not going to waste any space, so I've risen this up to as high up here as I can get it. And what we can do then is we can use the underneath then for storing utensils or storing whatever. I'm going to put a sheet of metal as well on the top. There'll be ply on there, but it'll be a thin sheet of metal will be going on top of the actual base of the cooker to make it easy to clean it, and also to give it a bit of extra protection. And there'll be a heat. I'll be putting a heat shield around the outside of it as well or a heat shield, a wind shield, so the wind won't blow out the flame. So guys, that's where I'm going now. So it's not looking too bad. You'll see the rest of it now in the next video.